Hello everyone. This is another easiest question from NEET Physics 2026 paper. The question is from Simple Harmonic Motion. So the question says, while conducting an experiment to determine the effective length of the simple pendulum L, notes down the data time taken to complete 30 oscillation in 60 seconds. Okay, so 30 oscillations in 60 seconds. That means one oscillation in 2 seconds. So this is nothing but time period, or you can find out the time period like this: 30 oscillation in 60 seconds. That means 60 by 30. So time period is nothing but 2 seconds. So we have to find out the length of the simple pendulum. So there is two way we can do. The one way is the short method. The short method says any pendulum with time period is equal to 2 seconds, that is called second pendulum. Any pendulum which time period is 2 seconds, that is called second pendulum. So if the length of the second pendulum on earth is always 1 meter, so the answer of this question is 1 meter. Okay, this is by using the short trick, that the length of the second pendulum on earth is nothing but 1 meter. But if you want to solve by using the formula, then also it is very easy to solve. So we have the formula of time period is nothing but t is equal to root of 2 pi root of L by G. So time period is given, which is 2 is equal to 2 into pi, then root of L we have to find out, and G is actually given to be 9.8. So if we take the square on both the sides, so before taking the square, this 2 and 2 we can cancel out. So if after that we can, if we take the square, so here become 1 is equal to, this become pi square, and this become L upon G by 8, G 9.8. So it is given that the value of pi square is equal to 9.8 in the question. So that means this pi square and 9.8 will get cancelled. So L is equal to 1 meter. Okay. So the option number 4 is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.